I needed a jack and I couldn't find one, so I got a hydraulic jack. Welcome back. If you haven't seen my videos before, I'm Rouse the Oliver Man. This is the Super Cheap Super Duty, and it's up in the air. And the reason being is I managed to find some alloy factory wheels, which I think will make it look better. I think it'll hold up in the air long enough for us to play. So we're gonna see how this goes. I think that these tires are usable. The other two I'm going to put on the front are pretty good. I don't even know how you get these off of here. Is there a notch? Yes. Come on. So we're going to see what happens here. Luckily, this truck is still steel, so... And I'm really hoping that the, come on. Come on. Probably gonna have to get a different battery before we're done. I'm getting too excited, see? It's really too late in the evening to start this project, but I want to see what this looks like. So, oh, I missed one. And I forgot that these are, I'm probably gonna have to hammer this off of here because I did on the other side. The other side. If you get it down in the mud, that's really what you want. I mean, get it down in the mud. All right, I'm thinking since they're factory wheels that my factory nuts should work. Really hard to get stuff out of the bed when it's up in the air like that. Will this come off of here? Get out of the way. Hey, that's sweet. All right, you. We're going from 17s to 18s. So, hopefully that doesn't cause us any issue either. But this came off of a truck just like this, so it should work. Come on. There. There. Come on. Is it gonna go? Please go. Is it not gonna go? That's all the way up there. It's just that they're shorter. What I'm trying to say is these are thicker. We're gonna have to watch these because alloy wheels are notorious for working loose. We don't want that. All right. Do we feel like we're all the way up there? I think we do. There's nothing that makes me think it's wrong. So if I do this, Oh, at least not go on there now. Awesome! I think I'm gonna like that look a lot better. Let's do the other side. The front I'll probably have to actually jack up using the jack, which is gonna take a long time, but sure enough, we'll make it happen. This one should come off fairly easily because we just had it off. Sweet, it's not going to. That's great. How is that possible? Explain that to me. The battery's fully charged. All right, so it definitely got too dark last night for you to see the results. But if you're ready, I'll show you. I'm gonna put up a picture of what it looked like before so you remember. So take a good look at this. And I'll try to get the same angle and have a look at it now. I think that by itself made a huge difference on the way this thing looks. It makes it look more like somebody intentionally ordered the thing this way and it's not just the cheapest you could get. So that is not a purchase I regret. I like those. Those are going to help, and they're also going to blend in with all the other stuff I got planned for it. So I think we're moving along on the right track. So good deal. The weather's kind of nasty though today, so probably won't get much done. I did, however, notice last night, and I'm hoping I could see, and I don't know how difficult it's going to be to get to, but my backup lights don't work at all. Like, I had neither. And kind of looking through there, I'm thinking maybe they look like they're blown. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure if they just go through from the there's the 2 screws, but is that all? Is that all that holds these on? Or did they do something stupid and there's some in that pocket? We'll try it. But I guess it would be a smart thing to do to just bring some along. Like I said, I doubt it's a fuse because I've had every fuse has been out of this truck when we were trying to get it to run. So if something's not working, it's more than just a fuse. But I see it's letting moisture in there. That's probably not helping things. But anyway, I've been driving the heck out of this thing and I like it. So we'll see how long I feel that way about it, but so far it's growing on me more, I guess is what I'm saying. I don't like the plain white, but with a few more little tweaks, I think I can make it where it's something that I really, really like, or at least enjoy for now, because it's you're never gonna get a deal like this again. I mean, I can't complain about it. It's a good truck, and I hooked it up to the trailer last night and the lights work on it, so I may not even have to buy the connector thing. The only reason would be because it doesn't stay in here very good. It's missing the clip. I may just go ahead and buy it. It's really not that much money compared to what it is. I got license plate lights coming, and I got some of that rust converter spray. I really want to crawl under here one day and, you know, everywhere I see rust starting, just spray that. Hopefully that makes it, you know, good. Of course, now it's nice and muddy and covered with trash, so yeah. Then I guess the only order of business really is going to be to maybe clean out the bed better, get those posts out of there, and then put my toolbox on here, because if my cousin wants to buy that other truck, that means I'm gonna have to clean it out, and that's gonna be the worst part of the whole thing. So anyway, that's really all I have for you today. I lost some of the footage changing the tires over, so it's really not that long a video, but that's just take what you get, you know. I can't win them all. So our plan moving forward is going to be just fixing little things that it needs. I've got some of the pieces ordered, the tailgate cap, mirror, and then some other little upgrade things I'm gonna do to make it maybe more attractive. So we'll just have to stay tuned for that, and we'll make videos on it as I do that. I want to go over and work on that F880, or not really F880, but the tandem grain truck. It's in the shed. I've got some stuff I want to do to it. I want to start using it to haul some corn. So I need to get that, make sure everything is good to go on it. So that's where we are, and yeah, I guess that's all for this one. As always, if you enjoy my videos, give them a thumbs up. That helps out the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. Leave a comment. Tell me that you liked it, or tell me that you hated it. Tell me I'm a moron. I really don't care, but anything that you say helps us out too. So thank you again, as always, for watching, and I will see you in the next one.